Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got the coolest Gucci to show you today. So this is a Gucci Supreme changing bag and it comes with the little baby bottle holder as well, which is really cool. So we've got one long strap and you can see this is a canvas strap, really nice and thick and sturdy to hold up this lovely bag. And then we've got a flap closure and that has got two buckle fastens, so you can see just underneath that flap closure there. So I'll open those up and show you inside. So inside we've got three compartments. So there's one central zip section. It's kind of got that wipeable fabric lining all throughout the interior of the bag. So we've got one central zip section just here, and then we have two more open compartments. So in this back compartment we've got one zipped pocket. So I'll open it up and show you inside that pocket just there. And then in the front compartment we've got another zipped pocket. So one nice big zipped pocket goes along the length of the bag just there. And then we also have a flat pocket and that has a little Velcro fasten. And inside this pocket we also have the changing mat as well. So I'll just unfold that so you can have a look. So that is the interior of this bag. It's got loads of lovely organisation in there and it's really nice and roomy, so you can fit a lot into there. The condition of the exterior of this changing mat, we have called the exterior good, and the reason is the most wear you can see kind of on the leather trim. So on the back here you can just see a few little scratches and then there's a bit of rubbing just on those leather trims, so all over that leather you can just see a little bit of wear on all of that trim, and I'll show you all around on these fastens as well. On those little buckles you can just see those small little marks and signs of use on that leather, but the coated canvas is in a gorgeous condition. There's no marks on that and it's still lovely and sturdy, so that's why I've called that exterior good. The interior, we've called very good. There's no particular marks or signs of wear for me to show you on the interior actually. It's really nice and clean in there and it's really nice. All that fabric lining is all intact. You can just tell that it has been used before. It's had a pre-loved life, but no particular signs of wear for me to show you in there. And then the hardware, again, we've called good. Again, it's just small little kind of hairline scratches. So on these buckles you can see just a little bit of scratching on there. And I'll show you the other one too. So a really lovely kind of pale gold hardware, which all has that lovely gold tone still, but there is just a little bit of scratching on that hardware. You can see we've got this loop on the side as well. Again, with just a little bit of scratching on there. So that is why we've called the hardware good. I'll talk you through the bottle holder as well. So this little bottle holder has a little keyring clip on the outside, which is really useful. You can attach it to the bag, and then we've got a lid closure with a zip fasten. So I'll zip that up and show you inside. So inside we've got that really handy kind of insulated material, so it looks really cool and it is super practical as well. The condition of this one, again, we've called the exterior and the hardware good. Again, it's just small little marks on that leather you can see, but the coated canvas is in a gorgeous condition. And then the hardware we've called good. Again, just small little signs of wear. There's a little bit of kind of discoloration on that gold clip there, but other than that it's in a lovely condition. And then the interior we've called very good. Again, there's no particular signs of wear really, other than on that label just there. You can see a little bit of staying just on that label, but other than that, all that insulated fabric interior is perfect in there. So that is why we've called the interior very good. So I'll get that zipped back up. So it comes with, you've already seen that changing mat that was inside that pocket in the changing bag, but we also have the Gucci dust bag as well. So nice big Gucci dust bag to keep that protected. And if you wanted to know the exact measurements for it, so you'll find the exact measurements for this bag as well as the bottle holder if you click the link in the description below. So that is the link to shop this exact bag on our website, armcandybagco.com. If you click that link and it doesn't take you to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if this is the kind of thing that you're looking out for, get in contact with us, send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this and we'll get you on that request list. And as soon as we get another one, we'll send you through an email. It will have the little link to shop in it, so you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly next time. And that applies to anything that you have in mind as well. So whatever request it is, just let us know and we'll get you on that list. So that's the request list, exact measurements on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. And I'll just get that buckle done up again. So they just slip really nice and easily into there. And then you can have it with that lovely fabric strap just on your shoulder like that. And it sits really nice and comfortably. It's quite a big bag, but it's super lightweight. So you can get a lot into there without it getting too heavy. And you can pop it across your body as well to make it a little bit more secure. And then with that bottom holder, you've got that nice big kind of key ring on the side there, so you can just clip that on. And then that's really nice and practical as well, so you don't have to carry that, just clips really easily onto the side of the bag. So a super cool little changing bag. If this is the kind of thing you're looking for, go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website, have a browse through all of our other beautiful Armcandy while you're on there as well. And don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, because if you sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And you can use that discount on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Have a look at the How to Sell with Us page if you're interested in selling any of your bags. We'd love to see what you've got, so have a read through that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and then you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. And we'll be back very soon with some more.